Hey, this is Daryl McCleary with Freedom Property Inspections, and I'm here in North Dallas at a really nice location. And the house has its awesome brick wall, original to the home, 1960. But there's some work that needs to be done, and most of the damage, is done by the foliage that's just been allowed to push on the wall. So, there's a little bit of repair work that has to be done because the foliage has not been maintained properly over time and is allowed this kind of damage. Anyways, take care of your expensive walls and fences. This is an extreme case here, and the wall is just leaning pretty much from that point I started with going back this way, and it's real pronounced right back through here. So just I'm not sure about the footings, and I certainly don't see any weep holes. Anyways, this will definitely be called out here for repair and reconsideration, and it may be too far gone and may not be able to be resurrected. We'll have to see what's on the inside. Oh yeah, this is not looking too hot here. So more to follow on this little project. Oh man, way high. Look at that soil. Yeah. Okay, here's some separation now. You can see the lean real good there. And we're coming full circle up to the side of the house here. All right. Well, let's just see where it leads now. No, look. No. No, it's no good. It's been like this for a while. Here, look here. That's years of damage. All right, gotta fix that. Inspector in. Hello. Hello. What a sweet place. All right, so 1960s. Oh yeah, look at that. Cool potential. All right. Look at that. Definitely heavy lean. Foliage on the inside blocks what's happening. We don't see it every day. I call it the red barn syndrome. You think you're next to the red barn, it's actually pink. And it's just over time, this heavy foliage has pushed this all out this way. All right. This is Daryl McCleary, Freedom Property Inspections, signing off, North Dallas.